चलिए दोस्तों, आज पढ़ते हैं फर्स्ट इन इंडिया के बारे में। हु इज़ द फर्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया? लॉर्ड विलियम वेंटिक 1833 to 1835। हु इज़ द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस? W.C. बनर्जी। हु इज़ द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू पास ICS? सत्येंद्र नाथ टैगोर 1863। Who is the first temporary president of the Constitution Assembly? Dr. Sachidanand Sinha। Who is the first commander-in-chief of Free India? General K. Cariappa। Who is the first Indian judge of the International Court of Justice? Dr. Nagendra Singh। Who is the first Indian to get Bharat Ratna Award? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan। Who is the first Field Marshal? General S.F.J. Manekshaw। Who is the first President of Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad। Who is the first Indian to swim across the English Channel? Mihir Sen। Who is the first Indian to win Pulk Street Ocean Swimming Contest? Vaidyanath Nath। Who is the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? G.V. Mavalankar 1952 to 1957। Who is the first person to make printing press popular in India? James Hickey। Who is the first education minister of independent India? Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad। Who is the first president of Indian Republic? Dr. Rajendra Prasad। Who is the first Prime Minister of Independent India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru। Who is the first Home Minister of Independent India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel। Who is the first Vice President of Independent India? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan। Who is the first Chief of Air Staff? Air Marshal Sir Thomas Elmhirst। Who is the first Indian Air Chief of India? Air Marshal Subrato Mukherjee। Who is the first Chief of Army Staff? General Maharaja Sri Rajendra Singh Ji Jadeja। Who is the first Chief of Naval Staff of India? Vice Admiral R.D. Katari। Who is the first CDS Chief of Defence Staff of India? General Bipin Rawat। Who is the first person to get Paramvir Chakra? Major Somnath Sharma। Who is the first Indian scientist to get Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman in physics। Who is the first scientist of Indian origin to get Nobel Prize in the field of medical science? Dr. Hargobind Khurana। Who is the first Chinese pilgrim to visit India? Fa Hin। Who is the first scientist of Indian origin to win Nobel Prize in Physics? Subramaniam Chandrasekhar। Who is the first NSA National Security Advisor of India? Brajesh Mishra। Who is the first Indian to win Stalin Award? Saifuddin Kichlu। Who is the first Indian to win Magsaysay Award? Acharya Vinoba Bhave, 1958. Who is the Indian's first minister to resign from Union Cabinet? Syama Prasad Mukherjee, 1950. Who is the Indian's first election commissioner? Sukumar Sen. Who is the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Badruddin Tayyib. Who is the first Chief Justice of India? Justice Hiralal J. Kania. Who is the first person to submit the proposal of Indian independence in the Congress session? Maulana Hazrat Mohani. Who is the first Indian to climb Mount Everest without oxygen cylinder? Sherpa Pudorji climbed on 9th May 1984. Who is the first foreign recipient of Bharat Ratna? Khan Abdul Jafar Khan. Who is the first Indian recipient of Nobel Prize in Economics? Dr. Amartya Sen. Who is the first Indian pilot? J.R.D. Tata, 1929. Who is the first Indian to reach Antarctica? Late Ramcharan, 1960. Who is the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who is the first Indian Prime Minister to resign from office? Morarji Desai. Who is the first President of India to die in office? Dr. Zakir Hussain. Who is the first Indian man to climb Mount Everest twice? Nowang Gambu Sherpa. Who is the first Indian to reach the South Pole? Colonel J.K. Bajaj. Who is the first British Prime Minister to visit India? Harold M.C. Milne. Who is the first Indian author to get Anderson Award? Ruskin Bond. Who is the first Indian space tourist? Santosh George Kulangara. Who is the first Indian to win Golden Globe Award? A.R. Rahman.